What is good, everyone? We are back out here in California and made a quick stop here at this abandoned service station. Here's what the place looked like back in '93. I really couldn't find much info on this place other than the fact that one of the owners was ripping people off. Apparently, the town was named after J.F. Halloran, publisher of the Mining Scientific Press, although some people might disagree. This is one of those places I've driven past many times on the way back to Vegas, but never got the chance to explore for whatever reason. It's going to be a quick little explore. I'm just going to be walking around here and checking it out, so let's go and see what we find. Let's go check it out inside. Let's see what's in here. This looks like a trailer. Let's go around the other side and see what we find. It's a pretty sizable service station. It had just about everything out here, including a place to eat, which kind of makes you wonder what they used to serve out here. Never was any good. But definitely a cool place, quick explorer. Came here just in time for the sunset. Now the clouds are looking really, really moody out here, so... Let's check this building out inside. This one doesn't seem like it's in too bad a shape. There's a couch over there. Beautiful sunset. This was once the restaurant here. There's definitely signs of squatters in here. Looks like someone may have been living here at some point. There's no blankets and sheets here. Look at this beautiful, beautiful sunset just behind me here. I'm going to take advantage and take some photographs out here while I still have this beautiful light and clouds out here. So